Hello everyone, welcome to the Cosmic Patterns YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you the WinStar program. We have 3 levels. We have the standard, extended, and professional. So I will show you the difference. What I'm showing you right now is the professional version. So in this professional version, you will see all these tools. They are all active in here. Okay, so when you, the difference is in the WinStar standard program, when you click on these tools, these are not activated in the standard program. The other feature that is not included in the standard program is the Daywatch Horizons and Matrix Search. They are not included with the standard program. Okay. With the extended program, this part is included. It also does not come with the Daywatch Horizons and Search. With the professional version, it includes all of these plus the complete full version of Daywatch, Horizons, and Matrix Search. So that is the big difference. Okay, today I will show you the different parts of WinStar. Okay, WinStar comes with these 3 views, the extended, the classic view, and the data view. The extended view shows you all of these features here. Okay, all of this. Okay, and then you can select the wheel, and you can see it immediately on the screen. It will give you, this is the quad wheel and stuff, and this is the regular wheel, this is the wheel style. Okay, and another wheel style. So these are the different kinds. And you see all of this thing in here. You click here, this is the 90-degree dial. If you click on it again, it takes you to a different wheel. Okay, and then we come to this. This is the Euro wheel. Okay, so this is the astro clock, and you can exit this. Okay, and this is the local space. You click on it again, and it removes it. And this one is, you click on here, it removes the aspect lines in the middle, and you click on it again, and then it will bring it back. Now this one is a swap button, where it swaps the first entry and the second entry. So we'll go swap, and the transit chart on the top, and then swap again and brings back the Tony Blair. Okay, and these are the charts entries down here. Okay, now in data view, you see all sorts of data, not the wheel. This is the chart data listing, miscellaneous chart data over here. You go down here, you see all of these lists down here. Okay, so this is the aspect list. Yeah, all those kinds of listing. Aspect, the rulerships in here. So this is the data view. Okay, all right. Yeah, okay. Now in the classic view, put it last, because this is different. So you can see on the right side out here, you see all of these features in here. Okay, so you can click on this to add a new chart. You can click on auto chart select. So all of these things, all of these features in here. You can also go like this if you want to do a bi-wheel and tri-wheel. You can click on this. You can do synastry, all that good stuff. Okay, so this is the classic view, so you can play with this easily. Okay, so these are the features that are within the WinStar program. So what is important in here is to show you the difference between the standard, the extended, and the professional version. So this feature is still included in the extended view, in the I'm sorry, on the WinStar extended and this WinStar standard. So the only difference that does not come with the standard version is this one, this feature here. These features are not included with the standard version, but this is included in the extended version. It does not come with Daywatch, Horizons, and Matrix Search. For a small price difference, it is good to get the WinStar Professional because you will have 4 programs all in one. Okay? All right, I hope this helps you and have a wonderful day. Take care.